Welcome to this course on Watson Analytics. IBM Watson Analytics is an advanced data analysis and visualization solution in the cloud that guides you through analysis and discovery of your data. Watson Analytics is a smart data analysis and visualization service you can use to quickly discover patterns and meaning in your data, all on your own. Whether you need to quickly spot a trend or you have a team that needs to visualize report data in a dashboard, Watson Analytics has you covered. In this course, students will learn the fundamentals of Watson Analytics and become proficient with Watson's tools. Students will learn how to use features such as machine learning and predictive analytics. We will get into how to import and refine data from local or cloud-based sources, build new calculations, hierarchies, and data groups, and leverage cognitive starting points and dynamic insights. Find out how to auto-detect trends and correlations and generate predictive models and decision trees quickly. Plus, learn how to create and share visualizations, dashboards, and infographics to bring your insights to life.